fell too, buddy. Good, I hope I do. Here, you can sit on right. Oh, woo! Shoot! I just banged you in the head. Just get on this thing. Why are you riding? Like, yes. Why are you riding?
My wrist healed a bit.
Yeah, but like, you have a broken.
It ain't broken.
It's not. It's like.
It's jammed.
But I have a broken ankle.
I just don't have to jump in. If I don't jump in.
That's working so good.
I know.
Wait, did you change this jump rope? Wait.
Yep.
Yeah, it's way better.
No.
We took that mini trip.
I know. When I was here like an hour ago, it did
No,
not.
that was like that.
Oh, it was?
Yep.
Oh, I was not looking then. Oh god. Oh look, you can see like our little rainbow kinda. Almost. god. This is oh, okay, sorry. I accidentally paused the video. Whoopsie. But we got stuck over there.
How many you almost get stuck inside?
No, I don't know. Probably because this truck weighs about 1,000.
No, like what you
No, use this on the clutch. Record this guy for a moment. If you can't even see. Oh, sorry, I got in here.
Uh-oh. Hold on time. Right here's my best position.
Computer, sit up on this thing. Actually, we might bang head now. Alright, I'll get off.
Nah.
No, I can get off. I'm fine right here. Oh, falling off this, just thinking of falling off this and then just getting under the back tires is just scary. Because it weighs like, this is definitely not a half-ton truck. This is like 10,000 pounds.
And this whole truck.
I forgot how.
And this giant chug in the back.
Well, it is 2,000 gallons. No, wait, it might be 1,000 or 2,000. 2,000? Okay.
Uh-oh, we'll rock that might hit.
And you're gonna feel it.
See, this thing's just gonna crush like any rock probably. Not like solid rock, but like dirt rock. Any rock it
Like
probably crush.
hard, like solid dirt rock. Mostly in the truck to crush. It can crush a dirt bike.
Where are we going?
Right here.
Oh, we have to use that one too, huh? Oh. And then here's Trigger. I'm gonna have to switch spots for you. Switch spots because we're gonna go the other way. Hold on, Edgar. Hold on.
Oh, I went in a puddle. Whoa. Look, get lazy over here. Oh, no, my dear. But turn around.
Dude, if I drop my
switch.
phone. Yeah, we're gonna have to switch. Hold on, careful.
In this stuff.
Look how much, oh my god, look how much corn there is on this field.
I know. That's all sweet corn. That's just normal corn.
Keep her going.
That's sweet corn, that's normal. I'm pretty sure they're,
No. You see how that one, they're the same, but that's sweet.
look at this guy. Look at this guy with his KTM. Like, get out. Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, they're all the best, I don't care.
Gas is probably the worst.
I'm gonna say the best electric bike is definitely the Stark Barb.
It starts.
Honestly, I would still ride it anyways. But I mean, I don't know.
What's wrong?
You have fuel.
Are we we're out of fuel?
Yeah.
Okay, that sucks. We're out of fuel.
We're out of